somebody's throwing some stuff.
Just annihilated somebody. I think there's more though.
Inside of that?
I'm flanking them. What?
You guys should go and sacrifice myself here. I have 2 shredders on me.
Is there more in here?
Oh, Brandon. I have 3 shredders on me right now.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
How did they all get there? How did anybody else in here? Oh, I get them now.
There are 3 shredders.
Is that a custom build? Is that a custom build? Wait, Crypto, is that a custom build weapon you have there?
Oh my god, the tick got on me. Go, 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 go!
Can't lose this gun, Crypto.
Oh, there's 2! There's 2! One's dead, one's dead. Close the door, close the door, close the door! Oh no! Dude, if you go down, you can probably get me and I'll kill that fucking thing.
There is a roller and then bomb. The rolling bomb and the shredder, so don't come up.
Doors
Yo,
blocked.
Crypto, you could just go. It's not like I'm gonna fight you, right?
To this fucking door.
You died, you lose your weapon?
Yeah, he loses all your stuff. Help me!
Yeah. You're gonna need help for that weapon to die.
Help me!
Bro,
Please!
there are bombs loaded this side.
I'm gonna bleed.
Yeah, you go to sleep.
Oh my god, there's a fucking tick. It's not gonna get you. It's not gonna get you. Oh, go, go, go. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know. 300 was dead too.
Time to get.
Oh,
No.
legend. Thank you. Watch out.
Watch out.
Wait. Lead it away. Oh no, it's gonna burn him. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's getting really calculative right now.
Oh no.
It happened.
It
when
scorched him to death, bro.
It happened this other time. No!